What we are doing here is having a DoD, Department of Defense, SERDP, Strategic Environmental Research and Development Program, project NICE, Network Infrastructure Under Compound Extremes. So we are having a workshop related to that project, which is focused on what we are doing in that project, but also beyond. What we are looking at is resilience of installations, facilities, supply chains, transit networks, with a particular focus on DoD installations, in a way that considers the systems and components that comprise the installation itself, but also the surrounding and supporting ecosystem of the installation. This is a fairly large workshop, and this includes participants from industry, academia, national labs, government agencies, and we have very interesting set of panelists who represent all of these areas and bring both problems and solutions in this grand challenge to help us understand this problem better, develop some solutions ourselves, and then build a resource for the DoD SERDP as well as the broader community, which we'll share through our website.